Hi, everybody. A lot of you who are my regulars here might be wondering why I have not done any live or have not come on board. I want to let you know that I was diagnosed along with my mother as COVID positive 3 weeks ago. And it was a shock to both of us because as far as we were concerned, we've been very safe. We've been not stepping out of stepping out of the house more than twice a week throughout lockdown. We've been social distancing and we followed all the norms to a T. But somehow we both got it. I think my mom got it at the market first, and then while I was attending to her, I have got it as well. My last 3 weeks have been pretty tough, but I want to say that my neighbors and everybody have been like fabulous. People have been so kind. I've had friends get me food from their house, and I've had them shop for me because I ran out of nightgowns to wear because I didn't want to wash everything. I just didn't have the energy to sit and wash. I had no maid. My maid left the moment she knew I had COVID, and when I tried to get her to test, she just ran away. It was so irresponsible. I reported her to the authorities, but me and my mom were left to our own to take care of ourselves. So there were 2 sick people in the house, and we were taking care of each other, really struggling because we had to do everything by ourselves. Thank God for lovely friends. I had a friend of mine put my money in the bank, which was just going like water with all the blood tests. And it stopped for a minute. Every 3-4 days we had to have blood work done to see how it was affecting our inner organs. And I was on Visalon, and it was crazy. Coughing, bad breathing, difficulty in breathing. And this stuff is real. Trust me, you don't want to get it. And I really, really hope none of you do. And I really put a circle of protection around each of my follower and each of my Instagram fan. I hope it never comes near you because it's been a virtual nightmare. But thanks to a really, really competent doctor, Dr. Sanjeev Mehta from Leelavati, who took care of mom and me and has handheld us every step of the way. We have followed the protocol to a T, and we have come out of this victorious. We both are now COVID free, which is a huge deal. It was touch and go. My mom had breathing issues. It looked like, really difficult. I had to order oxygen cylinders at home because my mom was just petrified to go to the hospital. Like a lot of older people, she just didn't want to go. I respected her sentiment, and my doctor also understood, and we home quarantined. But it was no cakewalk. It was really touch and go. There was one night I felt I really would have to hospitalize my mother, and I was sick myself. It was 11:15 at night. I was thinking, who to call, the ambulance services. I had to speak to a friend of mine whose mother had COVID to help me sort of throughout the way. If it weren't for these earth angels who really helped me, my friend Ramona got me khana. My neighbor Mr. Sapra got me vegetables. My watchman gave me my anda and bread, my bread and eggs. We have a supplier come every 2 days to our building. He would come and leave it. But even cooking the egg and cooking anything, it was a nightmare to sit and do this by ourselves. So 2 sick people. I don't know how I took care of my mother in this whole thing. we just managed thanks to the help of all these earth angels and my doctor, my friend Firoz Patel. I mean, when we were getting better, he sent me good food, biryani, and all to eat, so I felt better. Ramona made me the most amazing, noodles. So the just to make something even was like a nightmare. So, guys, please, I want to tell you, you don't want to get it. The drugs are really severe. I've been on steroids and I'm finally gonna come off of it, I think, in a day or two. I just want to tell you guys, be safe. Wherever you go, keep that social distancing. It's a question of your life. I'm alive today because of God's grace and all these lovely people who really watched over me. Had it not been for them, I don't know how I would manage. My friend Vabis went and put money in the bank for me, and my pathologist who came and wore the PPE kit and still did our blood work in spite of having us having COVID, coming to our house regularly. These are things that I can't take for granted, and I really bless these people, and I bless all the people who have helped me. And I want to tell you guys, please be safe. If you can help it, don't go out, just be home and take care of yourselves. Health is more important, your life is more important than anything else. Everything else can wait. I want to just thank all my fans and all my well-wishers. Y'all are adorable. Thank you for... I know I've not told you all anything, but please keep me in your prayers. I'm keeping all of you in my prayers. Stay safe and God bless, and take care of yourselves and look after, and don't forget to thank God for every little thing in your life. Thank you. Take care.